Hello, everyone. My name is Christopher Rose. I'm an author, mentor, life coach, motivational speaker, evangelist, musician. In this FL Studio 20 session, we're going to be making the sixth track for the album Grindin' and Hustlin' Forever Free. This track is the third track to the series of this track, which basically the track is called The Grander and the Hustler 3. I've made two versions before of this song. This will be the third version and the final version. So this is an important song. It's about grinding and hustling. So I want to make sure the essence of Jesus Christ and God is in this track, and that I get the message of grinding and hustling forever in this track as well. It's quite important. So what I'm going to do to produce the track is an intro, verse, chorus, outro. So let's begin. Okay, so I like the intro, so we're gonna add it to the playlist. Next, we're gonna do the verse drums. So I like the verse drums, so I'm gonna add it to the playlist. Next, we're gonna do the verse melody. So I like the melody, so I'm gonna add it onto the playlist. Next, we're gonna do the verse bass. I'm gonna keep the bass quite simple. So I like the bass. I'm gonna cut the notes. I'm gonna paste it into its own pattern. I'm gonna paste it into its own pattern. Oops, sorry. And then I'm going to lower the bass. Then I'm gonna add the bass into the playlist. I'm gonna save what we've done so far. Next, I'm gonna do the chorus drums. Yeah, I like the chorus drums. I'm gonna add it to the playlist. Next, we're gonna do the chorus melody. I'm gonna use another instrument for this. Okay, let's see the melody. Add the melody onto the playlist. I just want to hear how this sounds quickly. really like the chorus sound, so it sounds good. So we're gonna do the chorus bass. Gonna keep the bass simple. So I like the bass. I'm gonna cut the notes. Gonna add the notes onto its own playlist. I'm gonna add the bass notes onto the playlist. It's just how it sounds now. Yeah, I'm just gonna hear the verse. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the vocals in. So the grinders and the hustlers free. I'm gonna add it on every third bar, and maybe every fifth bar actually. Actually, every third bar, yeah. Then I'm gonna add the spiritual change vocal just before the grinder and the hustler free vocal. Okay. Now I'm gonna copy and paste the verse and the chorus. I'm gonna copy and paste. Then I'm gonna drag. Always drag your verse and chorus once you've done it. Just a quicker way to speed up the process of production. So it's all dragged into the grid now. So we're gonna do the outro, and in the outro, I'm just gonna have a melody with no drums. Keep it simple. Kind of liking the sound of this one, so I'm gonna have it as an outro. Right, so we're gonna add the outro melody to the playlist. I'm gonna duplicate this melody 3 times because it's just a melody and no drums. I want to make sure it sounds loud enough. Then I'm gonna add in the vocals.
The Grinders and the Hustlers 3. Spiritual change. The Grinders and the Hustlers 3. Spiritual change.
Okay, so the beat's done now, so I'm happy with it. So I'm just gonna show you what I've done. Just moving everything together. Just save. So we've done an intro here, then first verse with vocals, first chorus with vocals, second verse with vocals, second chorus with vocals, and then outro. So we're gonna save the MP3 file and the project. So first we save the project. So this track is the Grinders and the Hustlers 3. Now we're going to save the MP3 file. I've already created a folder.